Now, as you can see, I'm replacing one of these electrical receptacles. This house was built in the 50s, and on your newer construction homes, you'll find a black, which is your hot wire, and your white, which is your neutral wire. Now, in this case, they're both white. So how do you figure out which one is really the hot wire? Again, your black wire. To do that, we'll use a multimeter. Now, this is a digital multimeter. You could pick up one of these for typically around $20. A number of, not only for home repair, but even for your automobile, a number of things you could do with these. But that being said, right here you have a setting for volts AC. And what I'm going to do is turn the power back on. Obviously it's off right now. And I'm going to test each wire. And to do that, I'm taking the red lead, touching the first wire, taking the black lead, and touching the metal housing. This is ground. Now be incredibly careful. What I'll do is I'll cover one wire and leave the other one exposed, so just to be incredibly safe, because if you cross these, it's the last thing you want to do. So one wire will touch the first, or one lead will touch the first wire, other will be ground. Once we see 120 volts, that is our hot wire. So before I turn on the power, I just want to cover up this wire, because again, you don't want these to touch. Let's turn on the power. Okay, so here we go. Again, we want to see 120 volts. One wire, the red lead going here, black lead going to ground. And there you go, that's the hot wire, 120. So what I'll do, just so you can see that, what I'll do is I'll mark up this wire with electrical tape so we know this is our hot wire. Okay, this is our hot wire, mark it off. So in the future, we'll know which one is hot.